Sometimes, as shown in this animation, a drill spends more time drilling air than material. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to program the drilling parameters so the tool does not feed through the air. This type of drilling is known as web drilling. To avoid feeding through the large section of air at each location, every hole will be drilled twice using the drilling cycle. The first time an X and Y location is drilled, the top of the pipe will be drilled. Then, without coding a new XY location, the R and Z parameters will be changed, and this will tell the machine to drill at the same location using the new cutting condition. For example, when the top of this 1/8 walled pipe is drilled, the R will be 50 thou and the Z will be -300, which will have the top wall of the pipe drilled. Then on the next line of code, the new R of -1.825 and the new Z of -2.3 will be programmed. Since no new X and Y location is given, the machine will repeat the drilling cycle at its current location using the new cutting condition, meaning it will wrap it from 50 thou above the part through the just drilled hole to 50 thou above the lower wall. It will then feed through the bottom of the pipe, and because G98 was programmed, it will wrap it back to the previous Z position of 0.1. On the next line, the second hole location is programmed with the R and Z required to drill the top wall of the part. Then on the next line, the R and Z is set for the lower wall, so it will be drilled. And because these holes are equally spaced, these two lines of code will be repeated to drill the remaining hole locations. By altering the drilling parameters as was done here, significant cycle time can be saved whether a pipe is to be drilled or plates stacked with spacers between them or an assembly of parts.